Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remote desktop into a virtual machine from another PC. So let's get started. This is a Windows 11 virtual machine, which we'll call the guest, and I'm running Windows 11 natively, which we'll call the host machine. The first thing we need to do is check the IP address. We need to make sure both the host and the guest machines are on the same IP range. Go to the command prompt. As you can see, this is the IP address of the host machine where we're going to remote in from. Make a note of it, because we need to ensure that our guest virtual machine is on the same IP range. Another way to check your host machine's IP address is to go to Settings. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. If you're connected via Ethernet, click on Ethernet. Then go to Connection Properties, scroll down, and you'll see the IP address of the host machine. So that confirms the IP address of the host machine. Next, we're going to go to the guest machine, which is the virtual Windows machine. We'll do the same thing, open the command prompt as administrator and type it config wall, then press enter. On my virtual machine, as you can see, the IP address is in a completely different range. If yours is the same as the host, you don't need to do the next step, but mine is different, so I do. I need to go to the top menu of the virtual machine, go to VM Settings, then Network Settings. Instead of NAT, I'm going to change it to bridged, connected directly to the physical network, and click OK. After a few seconds, in the bottom right, you'll see the connection switch from NAT to bridged. Now I'll go back to the command prompt and check the IP address again by typing it config wall. As you can see now, the IP address range is the same as my host PC. Make a note of this IP address, because this is the one we're going to use to log in remotely. Next, go to Settings, then System, and make sure Remote Desktop is enabled on your guest virtual machine. If it's turned off, you need to turn it on. That's it, your machine is now ready to accept a remote connection, so you can close that window. One more thing I want to show you is the username. Go to Control Panel, then User Accounts, and make sure you know the username you're logging in with. You can see my username on the screen. I don't have a password at the moment, but you might, so remember both the username and password, as you'll need them to log in remotely. Now we'll go back to the host machine. On Windows 11, search for the Remote Desktop app and open it. Type in the IP address we made note of earlier, for example 192.168.x.x. Since I don't have a password, I just entered my username And there you go, you can see I'm logged in straight away. At the moment it's in windowed view, but you can go full screen. When I switch to full screen, you can see the full display of the virtual machine. You're viewing it through your host machine, and as you can see, this is the virtual machine I'm working on. That's how simple it is to remote into a virtual machine from a local Windows host. If you want to end the session, just click the X at the top right of the remote desktop window, and you'll be out of the virtual machine. If you want to reconnect, just search for remote desktop again and log back in. That's it. I hope this was useful. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and if you have any issues logging in, I'll be making another video to help troubleshoot those issues. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.